Good morning, Abington Heath, and hasn't it been a lovely week? We've been so lucky with this weather. I'm just hoping it holds out for the weekend as well. And it's been an exciting week in school because we've welcomed back our Year 5 children. Many of those have returned. And we must have had a fabulous week because we've got loads of certificates to give out. So we'll have a whiz through and see who has been an Abington Alien this week. So our first one is for one of our Year 5s who's only just returned, and that is for Lexi. So Lexi has been an independent and aspirational alien. She's come back to school. She was initially a little bit concerned about what she might have forgotten. I think we all have been after all this time off, but she has excelled, believing in herself, challenging herself and showing her wonderful potential and personality and a brilliant sense of humour. So you've had a fantastic week. Well done, Lexi. Keep it up. The next one is for Sophie, who's been learning at home. And Sophie's been trying really hard with all her home learning and has been sharing that with Mrs. Lawrence. So well done, Sophie. Keep that up. Next one's for one of our younger children, and this one is for Cray in Little Learners. And Cray has been making really good progress with his speech. He's copying lots of words that are being said to him and starting to ask questions. And he's now understanding simple instructions and is following those instructions as well. So well done, Cray. Keep it up. This one is for one of the children in our Year 5-6 bubbles, and that is for Leo. Leo has settled back into school really well. He's been a really curious alien. He's been asking lots of questions about his learning and has accepted all the challenges that Mrs. Billingham has set him. So he's an all-round Abington alien who's more than ready for Year 6. So well done, Leo. And this is again for one of our younger children, and this is for Callum in nursery. Callum has been a very curious alien, especially with his number work. He has been finding and identifying numbers around the setting and has settled back in fantastically. So well done, Callum. Now we've got a reception child, and that is Jackson. Jackson has been trying really hard to write his name independently. He's really shown determination to write it on his own, and he's even starting to listen for the initial sounds in some of the other words. Well done, Jackson. Now, Miss Pretty cheated this week. She actually chose 2 children to get Star of the Week. So the second one is for Layla. Layla has been trying really hard to do super sitting and listening in Green Bubble during adult-led activities. She's trying really hard to follow the new routines in school. So well done, Layla, superstar. And we have a Year 6, and that is Mackay. Mackay has been independent, expressive and determined this week. He's shown determination and concentration when designing a maths challenge for Year 1 and 2. And he's shown imagination and expression in art, and he's also helped other people doing the same. So well done. Fantastic week. Brilliant work, Mackay. And the next one is for Riley in Year 2. Year 2, Year 1, 2. Riley has shown consistent super behaviour and hard work. He listens carefully and is respectful, and he is a good friend to others. Mrs. Boucher says she's been a really independent alien, so well done, Riley. And our next certificate is for Lucy in our Year 3-4 group. Lucy has been an independent and expressive alien. She's come into school ready to learn and has been responsible with her learning. She's also been working hard in maths this week and managed to problem solve and reason her answers. And Lucy has produced a fantastic piece of writing in a dream jar. Well done, Lucy. And our final certificate is for Kashan, who's been working at home, and he's done some fantastic work on capacity. And Mrs. Fennelly set him an extra challenge, and he even managed to complete that as well. So well done, Kashan. And then we've got 3 special certificates. Now, last week, some children received some packages with some challenges in. And these were for our children who are starting in Little Learners, nursery or reception in September. And every week they've been set a challenge linked to a book. And some of those children have already had a go at Challenge 1, which was this week's, and have done a fantastic job. So we have got a Star of the Week for Jameson. Now, Jameson was the first person to complete Challenge 1, so well done, Jameson. You were hot off the mark, and he did a really good job of some threading, and he did it all on his own, so he was a true independent alien. And he has shown great fine motor skills, and those fine motor skills will be really good for helping you when you start your writing and reception, so well done, Jameson. We have a nursery one, and that was Harry. So Harry had a go at his first challenge, which was a colour matching bingo game for Elmer. He did a really good job. Well done, Harry. I really enjoyed watching that video. So you watch out for challenge 2 next week. And our final certificate is something we've never done before, because this is a star of the week for an Amington alien who's not even at Amington yet. This one is for Honey Ivy. So Honey Ivy is starting Little Learners soon, and she's had a really good attempt at her challenge 1. So well done, Honey Ivy. You need to keep an eye out for challenge 2 next week. Well done. So those are all our stars of the week this week, and our certificates will be making their way to you very soon. Well done. And we could have had lots of other children chosen to be Amington aliens, because I've seen lots and lots of fantastic learning, lots and lots of fantastic behaviour going on around schools. So well done to all of you, and enjoy your weekend. Hope the sun shines, and we'll see you all on Monday. Thank you.